Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to remove water from camera lens. So let's get started. Removing water from a camera lens is crucial to prevent damage and ensure clear photography. So in order to do that, you will need some materials like microfiber cloth or lens cleaning cloth, lens cleaning solutions, lens blower or ear blower. Now all you have to do is ensure the camera is turned off to prevent any electrical damage. Then if the water has entered between the lens and the camera body, carefully remove the lens from the camera body. Be cautious not to let water seep further into the camera internals. Then inspect the lens surface for any visible water droplets or moisture. Avoid touching the lens with your fingers as oils can smudge the surface. Gently blot the lens surface with a clean dry microfiber cloth or lens cleaning cloth. Lightly dab the cloth on the lens to absorb moisture. Do not rub vigorously as this may scratch the lens. If there are small water droplets or moisture in surface, use a lens blower or ear blower to blow away the water. Ensure the blower is clean and free of debris to avoid introducing dirt to the lens. Now once the lens is completely dry, retouch it to the camera body. If removed, power on the camera and check the viewfinder or screen for any signs of remaining water or moisture. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.